Hey guys, welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today I'm excited to share with you my thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy A54, a mid-range smartphone that has been making waves in the tech world recently. I've been using this phone for a few weeks now and I'm ready to give you my honest opinion about it. Gadget Beer. The unboxing experience is not like it used to be. As companies eliminate charging necessities, we basically are on a path to just receiving the phone itself without a charging cable. And in this case, we have the phone itself, a SIM injection tool, a charging cable, warranty information, and nothing else in this thin cardboard looking box. Look at that. Let's take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy A54. Let's go ahead and remove this. Let's start with design and build of the Samsung Galaxy S24. One thing I love about this phone is its similarities that it has to the Galaxy S23 series smartphones. It has a glossy plastic back with a matte finish frame and feels very nice in hand. The phone is lightweight, making it easy to hold for long periods of time. The button placements are also well thought of, with the power and volume buttons located on the right side of the phone with easy access. On the bottom of the phone, you do have your speaker, Type-C charging port, and mic. On the top of the phone, you have your SIM tray along with the SD expansion card slot there, mic. Left side of the phone, you have absolutely nothing. On the back, obviously you have this triple setup camera, which absolutely looks fantastic. Moving on to the display, the Samsung Galaxy A54 features a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The screen gets bright at 1000 nits and is vibrant with its HDR10 Plus capabilities, making it great for streaming videos or playing games. The display also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling through the phone feel smooth and responsive. Now let's talk about the camera. The Samsung Galaxy A54 comes with a triple camera setup that includes a 50 megapixel main wide camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera, and on the front of the device we are presented with a 32 megapixel front facing camera. Overall, the camera quality is good for a mid-range phone. The main camera captures sharp and vibrant images in good lighting conditions, and the ultra wide camera is great for capturing landscapes or group photos. In terms of performance, the Samsung Galaxy A54 is powered by a Exynos 1380, which is a 5nm processor with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and if that's not enough, you're able to expand on that storage via micro SD card. The phone runs smoothly and I haven't experienced any lags or slowdowns during my use. The battery life is also impressive with a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts me through a full day of heavy use. Fast charging is available at 25 watts, but sadly no wireless charging. It's okay to shed a tear because your Galaxy A54 can take it with its IP67 rating. So should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A54? Let me know down in the comment section below. Well, if you're looking for a mid-range phone with a good camera, a sleek design, and a great battery life, then this phone is definitely worth considering. However, if you're a power user who needs a phone with the top of the line specs, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, I think the Samsung Galaxy A54 is a solid choice for anyone who wants a phone that offers a good balance of features and performance at an affordable price, which that price is $449. Do you think the price is competitive enough to compete with the Google Pixel A series lineup? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.